everyone, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing on Mecca Beauty Loop Box Level 2. This is October 2021. So, whoa! Yeah! A lot of stuff in here. The first one, this is such a big sample. It's glow recipe. I will show close up to show you what it is. It's watermelon glow pink juice moisturizer. So it's a lotion. So it's a moisturizer. This is a very big one in a glass bottle. Look at that. So let's see. Is it? This is such a big bottle. Yes, it smells like watermelon. Very moisturized. It's a nice pink bottle. I like it. I'm going to show you some close up. Second one is a Hangover Good in Bed Hydrating Serum from Too Faced. Okay, I'm not going to open it. Usually I will save this to use it when I'm on holiday. Next, Kiehl's, what is this? Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. So it's for dark spot. Push it up. Oh, I like it. So it's in the glass bottle like this. It's a correction serum. Didn't feel anything. Not too bad. Yes, dark spot. I would like to try because I have a few dark spots on my face. Quite sticky. Wait till it's set. Quite dry, quite sticky. Okay, next. Oh, got 5 items here. Next one is a Clinique mascara. So this Clinique mascara. What is the brush? No funny smell, not too bad. And the brush is very tiny. That's quite good. For me that have short eyelashes, this is pretty good. And the last one is a Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So that's it for level 2 box. Okay, if you find this video helpful, subscribe to this channel because I unbox this every quarter, every 3 months. See you next time. Bye.